the beats.
This is stuff. This is stuff.
When you take it out the sun, it gets dark.
Hello, Rad Crazies.
What is not no sun?
Wow.
What's mommy making for breakfast?
Morning, Queenie.
Go find out and come back.
I just come off of YouTube, on my YouTube. I do a couple live. I'ma speak my truth. I don't hear nothing. No sound.
Turn off the wife. And she's live.
And there you go, live at Kick It. Yes. I'm here to serve you lot. I've got my career ahead of me and I've got my talent. I'm on my platform to serve my people. Now my thing is official. I'm not going to take nothing where I weigh me down and I blackmail my mind and my brain that I feel like I'm not worth and I'm the worst woman, the worst wife. So I was on YouTube from morning and I said my truth and my peace. If you don't want to hear, you're going to hear. Nobody not ask me for no husband not care about me and not rate me. So I try and enough is enough. Now my hype. My add plus tax, I need to change up the atmosphere. Me need to get selfish and bad mind and grudgeful and envious and change the pace towards me. So Royal Crazies, anything you want to know, I talk much around 5 hours what I live me do. You know why? When I come over here and cuss and go and everybody scrap it, them edit it and them say what they want to say. When I go over my page, you know, and here go listen to the mix up. I talk as much as I can talk. My husband is very, very disrespectful. And I am not going to come here on a family holiday. You move out for me because of spliff argument. Because you know you have me up as you always have me up. But it's you do all of the disgrace. You diss me, you cheat for me, you chat me, you talk to me what you want, and when I cuss you, you want to know right code for said. You can't love somebody and true you love them, you take disrespect. You bring disrespect to me, and I am not gonna sit down and say, oh, through my wins thing, and people are gonna chat. I have enough, and I want to go on with my life. I don't want to be in the marriage anymore. But that's on my live. Yeah, my kitchen video.
I think you might bring breakfast.
No, I can't eat it now. I'm up on the live. Thank you, son. Yeah. Yeah, you turn your back against me. Sting, you malice me from Christmas Day. All the way, you do everything over there. I talk all of I can't remember. All in the sit down and cook me for come talk about me say you're a bad man. Then I must say you're a bad man if you turn your back against me and not support me. When I reach a big pace in a life, you come at the airport, you grab up my neck and you not talk to me from Christmas Day. So you know what? I don't want this marriage anymore. I don't want to be yammered anymore. Go over YouTube. But when I come over here for telling her, say, I am free, single and disengaged. You understand me? I separate from my husband. I not take no more foolishness. Go over my YouTube and say it all. It's too much. Queen Lady Gangster, the man. Sometimes I say, Queenie, what point you really try? But it's because me is a person of my word. I try. But when I go on, I'm nice. Only there for me. You understand me? Only there for me. Marry me. I know I'm married. I know I'm married now. You know, him change. And the change I'm changing and take simple little things, excuse to use against me. It no make no sense. So I say, alright, enough of this now. I got to stand up for myself now. I was standing up for me and him. If they want it, if they like me, him hate me. Him not care about me. You understand? But I go over Queen Lady Gangster YouTube. Enough is enough. I always tell him, you see when you get involved, when you make people get involved in a relationship, I mean you're nice, but the kids them are got old grudge. As much as me love you and go on over you, me not put you in front of my pit with them. You hear that? So it's the disrespect you're bringing on my mother's yard. And make my mother box me in my face. And you make your friend come move you out. Me no want you either. Me no want one husband every time I ask him, say, do why you not build me the split you run. And through you run, I'm a cuss you. Every time I talk to you, you run. I saw my awful the whole world will love me and crazy for me. You can't even talk to me. You just can't stand me, so. Look for me now. Look what me go through with you. Me stand up for you. Girl, pit me your class. Me vice more. Lick out you and people in a mix up. You do so much something, me stand by you. And you come and move out for me after we plan family holiday in front of my kids them. Your friend I got threatening my son. What do you think? Enough is enough. Would you sit there as your mom's first son and see one man abuse your daughter, abuse your mother over and over again? It's harmful. And not because I'm harmful, I love you and show you with respect. Yeah. So I have enough for you, but the whole world love you, me not have to love you. Move on with your life. You're royal crazy, them say. Me how heavy you down. All them little stupid things that you married to me for. I don't want no more of this shit. I don't want to be yammed anymore. I love me. I ain't respect my kids. I let me draw you one side and I say to you, say. You may tell you say you're bad mind because you come to Portland. I make because you give me the spliff and say, you have a spliff and you take back the spliff from me and you fight me for your spliff in a big club. And that make you not come on my performance. Go on do it. So when I get the full clippings, I talk from start to finish. All of me no remember. I talk again, right. Enough, man. You know, I have no respect for my kids, them nobody. If I get 100 somebody for counsel, you not care. You don't have nobody that counsel me, you not try. I tell your friend, me not try for no relationship. You know how much girl out there want me. Go do it. I'm fine. Me divorce him in due time. Me don't want this. Holy more man out there would married to me. Oh, I'm telling him I still love marriage. It just like work out with him. Me alright. I can't stand be a public figure have things to do. Then I hide from people say, may you break up. And then you put up posts and make it look like, but from me and my wife no divorce. You sound dumb. As the childish child you are. You sick my stomach. And because the love of my fear and me the believe in you, but you show me how worthless me is to you, me is nothing. You show me say nothing positive when me do you not care about. You can't hold grudge because I tell you go suck your mother from March. You have the most filthiest. Go on in, baby. Grandma soon come.
Yes.
You have the most filthiest. You mix it much in girls. I still accept you. I cuss people for you. Enough is enough, brother. And I feel hype on you. You're hype. All you want to do is move out and live at people's house. You don't have no ambition. And I tell me, well, you tell me I don't have no ambition and I get work. Give God thanks to me, you get work. If I never tell you I have no ambition, but no, may I have something. Yeah, get Bridget and come move out and Bridget and tell you about a long time and not like me. China who you are? China look like skull dog. You understand me? You and do we go lock up and fuck. Remember that I tell you. You and do we go lock up and fuck. Come and not take no disrespect from no little piece of tail boy and him friend for come move out. And then you want dip your mouth. Because of what your friend tell you feel like you can justify a situation. I tell my friend, my son, anyway you see my son, none of them can do me. I'm a pity them now not Jamaica. You hear that? We're covered by the blood of Jesus down there. Amen to that, I receive that. None of them. And you see you do it? I just pray for you because you're my husband. But as I said, no more of this. In truth, living and dead, I prefer my life take. Before me sit down and make you abuse me and talk to me like me a shit. Then you run down girl will fuck Dick Tara and my Harry. And me with there keep my sanity and my pride. You don't even count me. Girl we have 100 man of them, you get time, spend time pan. I want this man to come talk about, not because you love somebody or this. You don't even love yourself. you know what, if you love yourself, is an empty mug, as I said. You can't drink out of empty mug. And from anything happening, you can go to the lowest. You vex everybody. 9 hours with a family holiday. Over one spliff argument. You lock up in a car. Then when daylight, everybody up on the beach, nobody not see you. You're sulky. Then when you're ready, I say you're not driving, you're not coming at the car. Go on. I was so. I obey you. I obey you. So like how I tell him I obey you now, go. And your mother saying about I share the problem. Me and no problem. I just defend the disrespect when you bring to me. Me the nicest fool. You hear that? Who no? Who no? Where you sit down? You know my time I embarrass on my kids and you go on and me have to whisper. I say, do it, stop it. You love disgrace. And go on like you don't love disgrace. And you run behind people who can't help you from style me. No, big like me. I'm going to earn this naturally so I can boast on it and testify for it. Because no, put me on my there, God. You understand me? How dare you? And you're up on live. The day before, Sting you're up on live must be around 18 hours and you not speak to me. You not give me your blessing. And you big up my wife. You not big me up. You look clout like everybody else. And then me no worth. And me no nothing. You can't call one meeting, I'm call 100 meeting. For me, go call my baby father, my mother, my daughter with meeting. I try. No matter how much meeting I call in a court, nobody around me. Why? You have a mother and a father care about you. You're not family orientated. You ain't going to know your mother when you want to class me. You understand me? It's horrible. I've got enough. You cock up a go like you good and a looks. Yeah, nobody can agree to it. So you can't style me. Because the way you think. If you don't wake up and smell the coffee, me, it's not your problem. But you look a dirty friend who come see. May you have something. And you call him. And him come there and put him mouth in and a talk or whatever. Come on now. Who me? How much disrespect and humiliation you bring to me doing, Scarlett? You understand me? Me never can say to your son yet I'm your wife. Me work with you in a snow and a cold, ups and down. You don't even count me for buy me a birthday present, because I have everything. And you not forgive me nothing. If me run you say, well, I live hungry, everybody sit down here on your phone. You not jump around. And you come talk about disrespect. I want to do in Scarlett. Enough is enough, baby. My hype. You're not getting no more hype off of me. You hear that? You're not getting no more hype off of me. You style me, go, you style me. Come here, your wife, I don't know nothing about you. I don't know if you're there in England or Jamaica. I put in a bleaching, I come and see a bleach. I don't like bleaching, man. Baby, you can't do bleach with droop and staining skin. You hype on me with your bleaching. You don't want me to know nothing. You're very sad. You're sad. You want to suck me out like a vampire. You have a YouTube. I run 5 hours with the party. Because I now make you suck out my energy and I sit down and can't talk. You see me there, I don't watch you night and then the part. What do we there? What do we there every minute? Yes, poor little ears. Yes, one baby. Grandma soon come. Poor little ears, the pan. What do we there? I mean, so I'm not go up on the internet go cussing out. I just go up on my YouTube, go speak my truth. And end this one and for all. You know, appreciate me. The whole world love me, appreciate me. Mama come and say to you, say, do me that I'm alive. I give me attitude, I show the hatred you have for me. I've got enough of that. I don't want to be a yammed anymore. I'm too nice for that. And so the moment I see my kids, them get involved. Remember, I know you don't care about my people, them, about me, care about them. So I could have lived through that. But when I see you bring it on my doorstep or disrespectfully, boy, you thump me up. And then I paint picture out there. But she not there on my foot now. Me and you know they're together. Enough is enough, baby boy. I'm married to a boy, and I know that. But I thought that you would appreciate the way the table turn and you grow so fast, and I try to compromise. But you're too big, you're too hype, you're too hot. Men are nothing. Your friend them can't influence you, you're gullible. Anybody can come to you and say to you, say, Queenie, I want drunk, I want dog. And you don't look past that. You don't have no manners. You know the carried mummy with you. I mean, the man that chip somebody with it, and I say, wow. And then I play the music, and I say, don't play the music there with mom, even though mom tolerate it. And then my mother come back to me in my face for you. I want to you. From my family get involved, I eat that. Your family, you could have lived with me. You could have run or you could have moved out with me. Your family not care. Then I give a shit about you do it. And that's the truth. That's why you don't give a shit about what you have. So you can get up, come thump me up in front of, well, look how much I was there for holiday. I was so deep. Go. Stop pretend. Stop going like you want to be with me and me hold it down. I'm not hold it down, I try. You understand me, my darling? Go on, baby. Me not come back to England, stay at Jamaica. Me not wear nothing. And I'm going to give you a divorce. I don't want this. More love and reassurance. More stability. More trustworthy. You're not trustworthy, you lie. You hide every little simple thing when I make don't know. But if you tell me about woman, you're not afraid to tell me about them because you want to show. For me, make every girl want you. They just want you for the bus. But the moment they say you don't have the use. But tell you all why I say cocky is not all and you not take boots up. Maybe you not take it for me. You have to go boots up and take blue pill for hunger them the cocky behind there. So me now look for you. Girl love money. That the girl and them your girl and not care about the man. So that you want wildlife with your 10 friends in a room and play a game. On a class woman and disrespect woman. And then when me and your wife tell you go suck your mother, you have me up, I tell you so for the rest of the life you gotta have me up. But at the end of the same good day, the same mother you vex with her, have her up, and you don't think about her feelings, because she tell you something you don't like. You treat her the same as how you treat me. You're like a coconut doing. You're cruel and evil to your own self. If something happens, you will walk all of everything before you try a minute. So you put yourself in a situation you can't manage. And a beer also to pick girl him love, some concubine. You not take no normal girl, him take some girl who worse than me, but through them a zero and them a oh and nobody don't know them. But I don't lie. No real girl in themselves no want to do it. May I tell you? Be an idiot. It's either them a look somewhere, them a try to compete with me. You understand? Them not genuinely. He is a coconut. You can't come this, my family. May have disagreement one side. Call it one side attack to your husband, you run off. Yeah, man, enough of that, man. I run 15 times, you run off from me now. I'm not telling nobody, I'm not telling no get the argument. But call it one side the mask bust up. I said, do it. The mask bust up, if you don't take care of your things, then you just throw down anything, you don't take care of nothing, you don't remember nothing. And me did it behind you, you have on your shirt, and I said, do it. Take off your shirt, and I said, no, I saw me wear it. And I said, you have a wife, and I will not allow you. Me crazy, or someone want it, or someone want it. Me don't want you. You're a dirty man, real dirty man. You know, you take up dirty foot, man, and no matter what you do to them, it don't make a difference. Yeah, me want dirty foot, man, but I adjust. Nothing, not interesting or nothing. Me not quarrel with you doing. Me just not help you fool myself and the people them. Because I want me see right about for you, your wife, no divorce, that's rude. You know, I have no respect for me and no dignity. You know, I have no care, you're petty, you're childish. If me an idiot, you lead me astray and lead me in things that I'm not going on. And when me give a good compliment about yourself, you know, compliment me back. You understand me? You show up, but through me love myself, I'm me a star, I'm telling you a star. You love the star, but you don't love who make you there. You don't try with me. You give up what you tell them, but oh, me not try for no relationship, Pastor Wagner for me. The next time she put her hand on me. The next time she put her hand on me, sorry. The next time she put her hand on me, I broke her ribs and make she can't breathe. Around 4 months since him go do him all a big disgrace and come back him say that when Colin put out him something, I say, what? I left my phone in the car with the voice note for listening. So you hear treat me so awful and me not talk. You know why? Because I think there was hopes. Because once there was hopes. But when I see it get worse and see it come move out from me, I say, but me not want a husband who have no sense. Look on the success we reach in our life. How you run out and I go a studio with people for hype on me and I put video and I do it. And the fittest survive. You understand me? You can't say me abandon you and me make you. You sit down at you, me do video and me tell you to do video help me promote nothing. You now look. The amount of responsibility I have, sometimes I wonder how I do them. Not a husband fail in business. Look for me. When I think my talk for look attention, you see true be served as an old fool. Me give him a long rope for hang himself. And I said, do you gonna miss me? And what? Oh, me not missing a reality not chip into me. May I bless you. And them hype them up. Do all our bless baby. Every dog have them there. You understand? I have enough for truth for why crazy. I mean, my husband for tour the world and go do things. I can't rely on him because anything happen, I go vex and I go. You understand? I change my atmosphere. Enough time I go up on stage, me and him war. How one man I pull up on every time I do something. It's a lot. And then me get all of the blame. Blame. And you say, my young boy, well, boy, I'm too old for you. Leave it alone. Alright. Yeah. It's true though, I'm serious. I think about this, you know, I'm not sleep. I say, but I can't live so. You know, I can't live so for go around every minute this man I move out for me. Now me call you, know, one side I talk to you. Bright morning. I say, baby, you have a big family, you come in a big family. So you have to compromise and look out for them and you don't run off for me. No man, that's bad, baby. I'm shame of myself. I'm up on my phone,
Oh, go on, dating. When you done
you want me mute it?
No, she's just checking on you.
Well, no, do your thing when you finish.
I can't end the live. Is it important?
Yes, girl. I have a couple days left and I need to get my kids to the swimming pool.
Oh, no, so leave me alone. I'm mute it. Roll and give me that car key.
Yeah, I'm going to start it out. Don't worry. I'm
Who
going
let
to...
me take off my...
Pardon?
Open.
Thank you. Yeah. You see with me now, I'm very family orientated. I'm grow rough. And when I grow rough, when I look at my always I say, when I have my kids them, I not beat them. I'm going to love them and cook enough food for them, take care of them. Because that's how I grow. So it's because that's in me, it make me fight for my husband. But for bringing him in a family like that and she say I'm not care about me nor the family, if nothing happen, he would drive me to rat and tell me I forgot disgrace myself. Go on the internet. And I'm like, style, when me hear people say I'm not deserve me, I said, no, you can't say that. You have to cross the path before you know that. Me have to make that decision. I have to come to that terms. So with all the love I have for my husband, I don't take no more disrespect. I love him serious, but I don't want him to give up. You can't give up on me so much time. Now fight for me. Sometimes I have to say, no man, them overdo it. It is embarrassing, it's disgraceful. There's every word that you can do, but it's life. Life is embarrassing. Life is disgraceful. But as I say, wholly over YouTube. Wholly pull my talk, you know? And me make myself happy in the relationship. He never want to be happy. He want to find silly excuse and hold everything against me. It doesn't make no sense. Because you're not perfect. you know, determined, you know, put out an effort. All of the important things there. Me and him the housing trust, National Housing Trust. And from me and him go over there go pay it one time and never ask back on the time I pay a few every month and I do ask him a question and I don't say a thing to him. So there's things of qualities and of demands and he does not maintain anything. So when I see my iPad, I go come make quote and I go write, me not go have that. I go break it and show you, say, listen, don't try to defeat me because I'm not trying to. I just want you take your freedom and make me be at peace. Because the moment you're around me and I see things in the right time, I'm going to say it. I'm not going to sit down and make you deteriorate yourself. You understand me? You go to England, you do fuckery, I ask about it, you go say, I didn't know them, I got to tell you back. Things like that are England. We don't know. God always show my back sign. You understand me? Look there, you go look for woman and me there at Jamaica and weeks after God send the parking ticket. What you doing another year? The woman. You understand me? So you come all them because I tell you you're bad man. You're bad man because you make the girl them chat me. You sit down and chat me with them and make them put me down. But through my power is strong, I still reign. It's you bad man. I'm say it in a bad man. I never say it in a real bad man. Because you not even know what is bad man. The way you're dumb. The way you're dumb. I don't lie me I tell you. Sometimes I say, whoa, this hurt me, this hurt for married. But you can't wait until you go in it. Yeah, I wake up. You hear me telling you from December, Christmas Day, I do it, hang up on the phone and I talk to me. I said to Yvette, Yvette, me, nah, look, do it all right. Do it not know where I want, him not know where I got and him not know where I go. Do it say, me tell him, say, what list I make him get what? But what list that for you? Get up, go, lit, go, I am far, go, come out of my house, your mother cause you tell her she don't want you in there, you take up move gone somewhere else. He's like them hope you. Must shame of your lifestyle. Where I used to fire a boy, I sleep at people here, the women just pack a gun up. Me not do no more of that till you do it. No way. May have some of you can't stay in the house and sort it out. Go. You can't respect me and may you go one side, go talk something. You have to make it get out of hand. Leave me alone, brother. You don't have no respect, you don't have no manners. Then you play a good watch. You're cute and have two little brown eyes and you hear you have no fear. That's all shell. It's a coconut. It's truth. Look on the two car them. Are you get up, go Ugly Park Road, go get the Jeep. And may your work treat. And you tell me, well, I know my money now, I'm not responsible about them. What support do you give me as a hard-working woman? What stand you stand by me? You understand me? I put track up on them and say, you deal with the tracker business or you deal with that. That is right. Me, do it track the vehicle, you know, remember this, you know, remember that. Nothing you're not interested in. And then when I cuss, you know, you're going to say, me disrespect you? You disrespect me in every way, brother. We have a bed blanket in the house. England cold, so you plug it in and it keep you warm. You send him to go work? You think you're busy with left hand? Simple things like those. You don't maintain nothing. He's not even a boy. You understand? You're disrespectful, you don't have no manners, you don't have no heart. You do so much cruel things. You go sleep with so much in woman. You have one girl now, you tell me the girl breed. This after I'm come back with a big disgrace, you know. I said to him, said, do it? Did you see the test? She a nurse, crazy, she a nurse. I said, true, she a nurse. No, I make sure I tell you true, me a wife, show you I'm a wife. I said, true, she a nurse. That means to say she for tell you something, you don't get proof. And the man, from that, he not discuss it, he not say nothing to me. You're disrespectful. You're childish, you're immature, you're selfish. And then I come draw allegations to I have man. And I'm like, what? Man? You think if me did have man, you'd get the chance to dismiss her. But I take all the man when I want me over you. You understand me? You do me so much things. And then come to Jamaica, come humiliate me. And sit down and hide now, so because of disgrace and true, me just win sting. Yeah, my friend. You just win sting. Focus on sting. Sting boss. Fuck on and dirty sting. I want to know. My sanity come first. My feelings. Me not even to host. And I say, even look how when Dewey gone for the 3 days ago, I say, make him go about him business and I go, alright. I start shit myself, anxiety. I go up on the toilet 2 minutes, I come off and my belly I run. Weak. I say, I saw the man despise me. I saw you hate me. I saw me an enemy to you, that you can lie down somewhere up and down with friend as a wife. Me and you buy ticket plan for come here before sting. You diss me before sting, you diss me go, you diss me come. And me now go to Portland and perform. And before I perform, you grab back the weed for me and I hide it. And you fight my feet and I call you one side. Me not say nothing, nobody here, me not go up on live. So Dewey, we are fight me and feel with me. Not fight you crazy. You been down and I say, what do you could have given me the preference of how much people there think of me. And by me say, so the man run off. And I say, what? I want them to set him for run from me. Everything. I call you one side. I say, Dewey, you know, accept my kids then. You don't accept me and run off. I can't get a word of Adrian. Dewey, me no want you either, baby. I want somebody who will fight for me, care for me. Something happen and come back and say, boy, baby, we can make it, we can do it. And me alone, I assure you. No, sir, that's not nice. And then them a bash me, then me have my own problem. And me just hold it sweet and nice and just there as a sweet pie as I am. And then, you don't even keep me. Let me hear your mother know I got to say no. I mean, I had a problem. No. The two of us is one. There is a problem. We sort it out. It's not just throwing a stone. It takes 2 to make a quarrel. I mean, not disrespectful. Me not unmanageable. Me not get up and rude to my husband. If ever hear me talk to Dewey, pass that, give me. Give me that. I say him talk to me, you know. And I say, husband, don't speak to me like that. That don't make a difference. I try. I hit upon this hype. Girl, I come meet you. This girl want money and body. You need to start by blue pill and all of the something them. Because when them get 1 service or 2, you have to go on and on. Because it's either body or money. So when you think you can style me, you can't style me. No boy can't lie down for me, do it. Because no boy not take my powers. And you coming in my life. You should have take up all of the responsibility as a man and I put things to me. And I put ideas. More I put ideas to you, you not care about them, you not endorse them, you not respond. When you do anything, you hide it from me. I don't know nothing about you. You hide and look advice from everybody else. Nobody not great like your wife. Don't mind you. But God go with you. And all I get them where they don't have man. Me still single. God go with you. You alright? Yeah, paint picture. Yeah, paint picture like. I'm a cruel. I'm not cruel to you. I'm a fool for you, you know that. But because I'm humble and I experience life, I'm not a friend for nothing. I'm just friend for my husband. Yeah, I talk out the whole of my belly of you truth. Yeah, man, I talk my truth, man. Him can't go and go get Eva and compare. I don't care. I'm not playing a hypocrite to do it. You understand? Gas hype. All the day, I move out the house, men him there work, do it left for work. Over one foolish argument to my ask him. Left work, tell him more on time, go move out. And him up on the phone with him mother and a video showing me and I'm like, all him look at something there. No little glory for Queenie. You understand? Yeah, man, I have enough now. Him don't know how to deal with me, how to talk to me, him don't know how to make me feel like so well. Me even do one good thing to him.
Hi.
Oh, I'm glad my soon come.
I'm in that car.
I'm not suffer no more. You understand? Yeah, man. He's rude. You just want to look for negative things I'm do. That's all matter to you. You dog me upon internet. No, you drunk me upon internet. And you up on internet I tell people about one fuck me, I give girl and I don't want them. And I'm like, what? So I'm do. Tell them say you want them. My last. I'm just sit down and get up everything. You understand me? I'm not busy on the one, so I'm alright. Do it again, then that I do it. Do it think him can style me on the one side. And I do him. I'm ashamed. I'm not ashamed do it. My shame tree dead. So you think you can style me and paint picture? I'm a coconut for truth. He's horrible. And all who that they bash me, we have planned to have a future with him. And the day will come. Because him is a mean, cold motherfucker. Don't mind him. I'm sweet. I'm not perfect. I'm sweet. I'm nice. I'm a try. And God say I know so I'm a try. You can imagine you listen to a man in a car tell him friends say, oh, I have a whole heap of girl. I have girls that I don't know what to do. I don't fight for a relationship in my God. Oh, the next time she put her hand on me, I go break her spine and make she can't breathe. I said, what? That I do it. I don't busy that nobody wants it. But sit down. My quantum. Everybody around me, I jump road and I go in a little way. You know, who for lift the pan, who for give me the water, who for this. You think my husband move? All them look at something, I just attack them now because I say my eye on me. Them think they will cope with it and say, sure, you can't have it all. You win some and you lose some. But the main thing is, when the big issue them come, it just sweep over. Like when they come at Jamaica and grab me up at the airport and I said, do it, stop it. Because they talk to me from Christmas Day. And that's 11 days after, because of the 5th him come. And you come with a attitude there. Duh. What's your plan? You say you not come back to Jamaica. What your plan? Nothing I don't know. That I do it. What I'm at, I don't know him at, I don't know him at, man. Rude, man. Yeah, man. Him do me bad. Come and try. So if I'm take him back, I say, all right, let me go and try. And when him say, go suck your mother crazy. Go suck your mother, make sure first tell her, go suck your mother, go suck your big pussy mother. And then my mother come back to me for do it. You remember how your first time go suck my mother, you know? Just because him left me and go away for hour and then tell me him up on the phone with the mother. I said, show me the time on your phone. Crazy, go suck your mother. I said, okay, lose respect for me for truth. I'm rude, man. Rude, terribly rude. And him not stop and nobody can talk to him. And then him have a little skirmish friend them when I mean him not good. So them know say, well, yeah, man, him can't go to them. Good on you doing. Well done. I come now, I go start up and pick them and I go and pick them. I'm going to take care, as I say. I talk all the over YouTube. I eat this. This is it. You know this man come back and come in a house. Eh? Come in a house. Come back to England. I do status. Put you in status here. And you deal with me, sir. Eat this, brother. Turn at Jamaica, done so which by there, don't you come pick you up. I'm gonna take care of her crazy. Love her now. Queenie.